Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Canon PIXMA TS3722 printer on your Windows, macOS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search on Google for Canon PIXMA TS 3722 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best results should come back with Canon support for PIXMA TS3722. Open that up. And then on this page here, you want to scroll down underneath downloads and expand the software and driver section. And then select the master setup underneath software and driver results. Once it's downloaded to your computer, go ahead and open it up. It should be from a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes, and then proceed with the installation here. Select your language and country as well, and then select Start Setup. And then agree to the license terms and select Next. And then make sure the printer is powered up. And then just like I said, follow along with the on-screen directions here about setting up your connection based on your preferred type, whether it's Wi-Fi or a wired LAN connection. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.